Hi guys, today I'm going to show you two ways to do half double crochet. So the first one is in the round. So I'm going to skip ahead where you have your round and you're going to loop your yarn around your fingers and then you're going to pull a new loop through the center, so you should have 3 strands on your fingers. Then you're going to pull a new loop through all 3 of those strands, and that's 1/2 double crochet. So I'm going to show you again so you can see how you get those 3 strands on your fingers and then pull a new loop through all 3 of them. Now I'm going to show you if you have a chain. So I'm going to skip ahead where you have your chain and you're going to wrap that loop around your fingers, go through that next hole so you have 3 strands now on your fingers, and then pull your new loop through all 3 of those. So as you can see, you do the half double crochet the same way whether you have a round or a chain. It just looks a little different, but you still do the same technique. So I hope that this is helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more inspiration and tutorials. Thanks so much for watching.